When you think about meditation, you think about a monk sitting in isolation on a hard stone floor wearing a reddish brown uniform with his eyes closed, absolutely still. Even if you have never tried meditation yourself, you could tell that the monk is at peace. He doesn't seem worried or stressed, he seems in control. And that's exactly why you're probably here. You want to do that, you want to be at peace. You want your stress levels to be in control. You want to be calmer and you want to be better. Well, let me take you there. How to meditate daily at home. Find a place to sit that feels calm and quiet to you. Next, set a time limit. If you're just beginning, it can help you to choose a short time, such as 5 or 10 minutes. You can sit in a chair with your feet on the floor. You can sit loosely, cross-legged, you can kneel, all are fine. Just make sure you're stable and in a position you can stay in for a while. Start feeling your breath. Follow sensation of your breath as it goes in and as it goes out. Notice when your mind has wandered. Your attention will leave the breath and wander to other places. When you get around to noticing that your mind has wandered in a few seconds, a minute, 5 minutes, simply return your attention to the breath. Be kind to your wandering mind. Don't judge yourself or observe over the content of the thoughts you find yourself lost in. Just come back. Close your practice with kindness. When you're ready, gently lift your gaze. Take a moment and notice any sounds in the environment. Notice how your body feels right now. Notice your thoughts and emotions. That's it. That's the practice. You go away, you come back, and you try to do it as kindly as possible. How to make a habit of meditation. Know why you want to take up meditation. Start small, try mini meditations. Tie your meditation to a trigger. Set up your environment to help you. Choose a meditation method. Get some incense to make your meditation experience fun and ceremonial. Find a way to hold yourself accountable. Find a way to create a negative consequence if you don't follow through. Skip the mental debate by meditating daily. Use an app that helps you track your progress towards the completion of your goals. Once you are done meditating, reward yourself. What to think about while meditating? Here are 6 prompts you can think about while meditating if you find just focusing on breathing boring. Start your meditation on a positive note by thinking about 3 things you are grateful for. Mantra meditation is a way for us to control those thoughts and feelings around a central idea. Try to find at least one lesson or takeaway that you can reflect on. Focus your thoughts on the things that inspire you. Try to figure out what you can do to be more fulfilled and enjoy your life more. Listen to guided meditation videos. Meditation for sleep. Sleep problems often stem from stress and worry, but meditation improves your relaxation response. It also improves control of the autonomic nervous system, which reduces how easily you awaken. Follow a simple routine of meditation explained in the previous part of the video to improve your quality of sleep. Meditation for anxiety. Practicing mindfulness meditation can be an effective way to manage feelings of stress and anxiety and can even be used as a relaxation technique for panic disorder. Meditation can help you slow down racing thoughts, decreasing negativity, and calm both your mind and body. How to meditate like a monk. Here are a few tips that will help rekindle your love of meditation and maybe help you go deeper than you have ever gone. Before you set foot in that space, make sure to go in with a clear head and positive intentions. The secret is going into your practice with no expectations of an outcome. Think of this practice as allowing you to go beyond your thoughts. Don't force yourself to sit if it hurts your body, and don't force yourself to sit longer than you can endure. When you get washed away, start engaging in a thought. Just try and remind yourself to come back to your breath. The combination of sounds give your mind something to focus on, while at the same time your mind syncs up with the lower frequency tones, bringing your meditation to a deeper state.